EduManager is a powerful institute management and online examination software which helps in managing the resources of an institute with optimal efficiency. It covers each and every entity of an institute like its students, faculty and management. It has a robust and integrated environment. An important feature of EduManager is its online examination module, which manages the online test facility available for students. EduManager has various components: inquiry management, student and staff management, fees management, multiple centers management, vehicle management, reporting services, and online test management. This is the preview of the software. After successful login, the homepage of the user is displayed. This page contains a dashboard which displays a summary of pending dues current month, which shows the list of students whose fees are due in the current month. The pending dues date elapsed shows the list of students whose fees due date has been elapsed. Attendance statistics course-wise shows the attendance status of students for the current month. Course-wise statistics current month shows the number of inquiries and registration made by students in the current month. Enrolled students batch-wise shows the list of students batch-wise. The View All option will redirect to the respective pages. The Admissions tab enables the user to add an inquiry and allows keeping track of all inquiries. The user can register a new student by specifying all the details of the student. The Batches tab enables the user to add a new batch by specifying the batch name, subjects, and faculty for the subjects. One can also set the schedule of a batch by providing details like days, timings, and classroom. For easier access, the user can search a batch, view and edit its details. Through Manage Courses, the user can add or edit a course. The Student tab allows the user to search and view the details of any student. It helps to manage all the data in a systematic manner. Payment details of the student are managed here. This page shows the payment status of the student's fee. User can create an installment plan for any student and can generate the receipt of paid installments. He can also modify this installment plan at any time. He can add the details of payment made by the student by stating the payment mode. Attendance tab is used to manage the attendance of the students. The user can mark the attendance of students. He can view the attendance details of a batch by specifying the dates and can also view monthly attendance. Thanks for watching.